MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
The 2019 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has just joined our long-term fleet. The 2.5-liter inline-four and Toyota's updated hybrid system produce a combined 219 horsepower. Like the Highlander Hybrid, the rear-axle electric motor brings on quick and smooth all-wheel drive. Toyota has been making hybrids for some time now, and it shows in this RAV4. The system operation is seamless, and it's quicker than you might think, which is nice on the highways. Also nice is the fact that the engine doesn't sound buzzy at 70 miles per hour. Wheelbase is up more than an inch over the previous RAV4, and the battery pack is under the rear seats, so it's very roomy inside. Actually, nearly as roomy as the original Highlander. We've only put 1,300 miles on it, but already we're seeing 39.7 miles per gallon, and that's heavy on highway miles. So summer outings should prove to be frugal ones.